Describe these actions in Korean. I'm sure this lesson won't make you yawn. To yawn is 하품하다 in Korean.
하품하다.
You can also say 하품이 나다 or 하품이 나오다. 하품 is this deep breathing. 나오다 comes out. 하품이 나와요.
하품이 계속 나와요. 하품이 계속 나와요. 하품해서 눈물이 났어요. 하품해서 눈물이 났어요.
Bless you. Thank you. To sneeze is 재채기하다.
재채기하다.
재채기가 나다 or 재채기가 나오다 can work too, as in 하품이 나다, 나오다. By the way, in Korean, there's no equivalent of bless you, so no matter how many times you sneeze, you won't be able to hear any blessing words from people near you. They'd rather ask you, did you catch a cold?
재채기가 나올 것 같아요. 재채기가 나올 것 같아요. 재채기 참지 마세요. 재채기 참지 마세요.
I'm sure this lesson won't make you doze off either. The state where you keep falling asleep even though you don't want to, like this, we call it 졸다.
졸다.
So this is an action verb. When you want to express your feeling where you feel sleepy and drowsy, you want to use the descriptive verb 졸리다 to feel sleepy.
수업 시간에 졸았어요. 수업 시간에 졸았어요. 졸면서 운전하면 위험해요. 졸면서 운전하면 위험해요.
Hiccup is 딸꾹질 in Korean. You can say 딸꾹질 하다,
딸꾹질 하다.
딸꾹질이 나다 or 나오다. The word 딸꾹 has come from the sound when you hiccup. Do you think 딸꾹 imitates the hiccup sound well? 딸꾹. 딸꾹.
1시간째 딸꾹질하고 있어요. 1시간째 딸꾹질하고 있어요. 딸꾹질 어떻게 멈춰요? 딸꾹질 어떻게 멈춰요?
A long breath you take when you're worried or relieved is 한숨. To sigh is 한숨을 쉬다.
한숨을 쉬다.
한숨이 나오다 or 한숨이 나다. There's a song called 한숨 by 이하이, which is really touching. Its English title is Breathe. Take a listen if you haven't yet. The word 한숨 will stick in your head.
엄마가 제 방을 보고 한숨을 쉬셨어요. 엄마가 제 방을 보고 한숨을 쉬셨어요. 왜 한숨이에요? 왜 한숨이에요?
I've introduced 5 everyday actions to you today. If you want more of these kinds of expressions, we have a perfect book for you, which is My Daily Routine in Korean. You can get it from our online bookstore, talktomeinkorean.com/store. The link to the book is in the description below. I hope you find this lesson useful. I'll come back with another fun lesson. Talk every day. 안녕히 계세요.